Understand this: if you are a freelancer, if you are a student, if you are a professional who provide any kind of service physically and online, then this is what you have to do. As you have seen that how everything's have changed due to this COVID, everything is shifted from one direction to the others, like everything is moving towards the digital platforms. If you don't change the way you were worked before and what is needed right this moment, then trust me, you're not able to sustain the market, you're not able to provide your service. You might be having your great clients in the past, but due to this shift which came onto the digital platform, if you don't be present properly, what I mean by proper presence on digital platforms, most of the people think that creating Instagram account, LinkedIn account, Facebook account, YouTube accounts or Twitter account, digital presence. No, nothing like that. What's more important is you have to have your own website. If you're a consultant, if you're a freelancer, if you're a student, you have work in your project, you want to make yourself stand out of the crowd, you have to have your own website. You can display all your works right on the website in a more creative way. You can explain more about your work. What will happen? People will visit the website, they can know more about you, they can check your service, the work you have done in the past, and they can contact you. That will not only help you to bring business, but you can able to have a long-term sustainable growth. You can able to capture the data, you can able to remarket them, you can able to generate a lot of way to make money. You can use Google AdSense, you can use affiliate marketing to generate long-term sustainable income for yourself. This will take a little bit time, but if you have your own website, you can have the approval of all these three ventures for generating money for yourself. You not only depend on finding the clients. As you know, as a freelancer, as a student, you will get a particular project. After that, you have to find another one, but there is a sort of breaks. But if you do a proper things like having a digital presence like AdSense, affiliate marketing, what will happen on your website? It will keep you generating money for yourself. So this is how you have to plan if you really want to increase your presence. And the best part of it, that you can able to capture those people who are coming onto your website, and you can remarketing them your service, your product, and this will help you to give you a long-term sustainable growth in that industry. So this is how you should be planning. If you're a student, if you're a freelancer, must have your own website.